Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome to Sushma Feed Fantasy. So I'm preparing today onion and potatoes ring. So add salt, add potatoes, cook for 30 minutes. Take a fork and mash the potatoes. Add 1 tablespoon salt. Add half tablespoon turmeric. Add half tablespoon coriander powder. Add half tablespoon red chilli powder. Add tiny bit garam masala. Add little bit ginger garlic paste. Mix it nicely. Add coriander. Add coriander. Add oregano. Add chili flakes. Add rosemary. Keep it aside. Take onion. Peel the skin nicely. Wash with fresh water. Dry it and cut into a round shape. Separate the onion slices like that. Now we gonna add stuff in that. Take onion ring and add potato stuff like that. Do it one by one. So it's done now. Leave it in your fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take it out and we prepare the batter. Take 2 bowls. Take first breadcrumbs. And take 2 eggs. Take pepper, a little bit pepper and add little salt, add oregano. That's it, and mix it nicely. Beat the eggs. Take one piece. First dip into the egg batter. After that, add into the breadcrumbs. Do it slowly. That's it. Do it one by one, slowly. It's done. Heat the oil. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like and share, comment. Thank you so much for watching. Onion ring is ready. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and like and share, comment. Thank you so much for watching.